Zevram. I'm here right now, and we're going to continue off where we're going. So, if you're catching late or whatever, I am working on it's called the GameOff. It's hosted by GitHub and itch.io, and it is essentially a 30-day, though I doubt it'll need that long, kind of game jam. Anyway, the theme for this year is throwback, and so I've created kind of a retro-styled, or I should say I'm working on a retro-styled kind of game with throwback, kind of meaning like dodgeball-like. And so I'm kind of working off of that premise and idea, and I've created this so far. And so what we've got is we've got a player, which is this person, plus a little robot who will toss balls at you. And right now the physics engine is working just fine. We've got balls being thrown and them hitting things and bouncing as appropriate. But of course, you know, the robot itself is still pretty dumb. It's pretty stupid. And not everything is perfect, but we've got some basic stuff going on right now, which is good. So, next, what we're going to work on, let me just drop that a little. See there. Alright, so, alright, that can stop. So, what we've generally got going on right now is, got a list of things. Come on, corner, behave. Let's see, so the map, actually this is all kind of good. So we've got the basic court. We're going to expand it later, but right now, just this little test arena will work just fine. So we can't do anything like catch projectiles. And then more and more I thought about this over... catch didn't actually sound like a good idea. I would say pick up would be better. So there's like maybe one ball, and maybe as it grows larger, there's maybe several balls in the world. But right now we'll just have like one ball, and so instead of this guy, you know, just constantly shooting balls every couple of seconds, what we'll do is first we'll turn that off right now, and then shoot ball we'll still keep. Let's see, main use is add child ball. Yeah, I'm gonna change this to get node root world. And we'll actually, here, let's do this. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, good. That's what I wanted it to do. That way the ball actually shows up in the world when it's spawned, which is kind of what we want it to do. So that's exactly where we want that. But for right now, we're not going to shoot any balls. So we're going to turn off that. But what I want to do, let's see, game, yeah. Go here, and we're going to take the player, and we're going to move the player over here. I'm going to leave the robot over there, but I'm also going to add an instance of the ball. That I am going to move and place it right here in the middle. Alright, so the ball is still actually decaying. We don't want the ball to decay anymore. So we're going to turn that off. We're probably going to add a couple things later in here so that the ball can detect who's it's attached to, which will probably be useful. Right now, yeah. unable to push the ball is kind of not good. Alright, so let's see. Ball, no, player. I think if is colliding. Log. Console. Debug. Is it debug? I can't remember what it is that actually tells me when something is debug. Log. Logging? Debugging? Debug? Hi! Hello, Millen. Sorry I didn't see ya. Just kind of busy on my other screen. Let's see, debug logging. Debug logging. Where is it? Oh, let's see. Let's just do a Google search then. Go.debug logging. Print option for the debugger window. Or is it literally just a print command? Yeah, it is a print. Okay. Collided with something. There we go. Boop. Okay, there we go. That's working. Boop. And I assume that's doing... Get collider name? Maybe it's get name. Tile that. Oh, cool. There we go. How do I like Godot? I actually enjoy it. It's really nice and it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple to use. So I enjoy it. I would say getting used to some of the ways that GD script works, it can be a little bit different. Background. I am a computer engineer by degree, but I would say I'm more of a software engineer or systems engineer by trade. Okay, let's see, we had player. Okay, so player, alright, so we now know what we're colliding with something here, so I can get the collider. But we still have this heading, so what I want to do... See if I can still move myself? If I'm still colliding, I want to still continue to move. If I can. That's not really going to work. Okay. I want to be able to push stuff out of the way. Oh, thanks. Okay, so I know that there is... Let's see, if... Alright, let's go check kinematic 2D. Physics body 2D, there we are. Kinematic body 2D. Alright, get collider velocity, margin normal, metadata collider. Get travel. Move and slide. Maybe that's what I want. No, I don't want move and slide. Move and slide is what. Collision margin is colliding. It's what I want. One of these has got to be. Collision margin. Return the collision margin for. Guessing that's the margin that I got. Collision normal. Return to normal of the surface body that you collided with. Okay. Sliding along a surface. Don't want to do collision position. Return the point in space where the body is touching another. If there is no collision, this method will return 0, 0. Sliding. This move and slide on ceiling for all now. Move and slide. I have a linear at say. Move the body to the given position. It's not a. Oh, this is move 2. That's. So that could be useful. I could get my current position, and I could take my heading, plus a delta, and my move difference. Yeah, that could actually work. But I don't use move. I could do set pause, do get pause, plus heading dot normalized times, actually just heading may work. Try that. There we go. Aha! Perfect. Now I can push stuff out of the way. Aha! Perfect. Good. Alright, so now I want the robot, if there's a ball, I need the robot to go after the ball. So let's change the enemy. That's the ball. So it already, well, I mean, it has a reference to the actual ball scene, but we don't necessarily need that. Well, if we're going to be spawning and despawning balls, we're going to... So what I want it to do is, okay, so right now it will move towards the player, looks at the player, and then heads in that direction. This is exactly what we want it to do. But, okay. So we're going to want to set a variable is ball available. And we're going to say false right now. What we're going to want to do. This is all going to have to be if has ball. And we're going to want to do this. But I don't have the ball. So I will be false, because we're starting with no balls. Sounded wrong. Ignore that. Alright, so... Let's see. Is ball available? This might be better served by something in the global context. Maybe. So perhaps I want to do, let's see, on ready var world equals get node root world. I may want to do that. Ah! Hey, how's it going, Dapper? Let's see. So this will get us the world. This will get us a copy of the world on launch. So I can do something like world has node ball. So I can do if world has ball, let's see, do ball stuff. That's when I can go after the ball. See, do ball chase stuff. So then in here I can then, let's see. Then what I'll do is I'll get the ball. Let's get, let's see, world. Get node ball. And we'll do the same thing as here. So we'll do ball pause. And we'll look towards the ball. And then we will move. We'll do the same move. Yes, this is... let's see, what do we play? This is Discover by Magic Sword. It's part of Twitch's free list of music, so it doesn't get flagged by copyright and stuff, which is very nice. Okay, so, alright, we have that, but if we do it this way, we're gonna... He's just gonna go run straight into me or the ball. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take the ball. I'm gonna move it up here for right now and see whether or not this is... Oh, it crashed. Me too. Invalid operands, object, and vector to an operator. Oh, that's right. This is actually a... Alright. There we are. Cool. And he's going right to the ball. Perfect. Yes, bugs. So, okay, cool. So he will go towards ball, and he will actually get the ball from the world, which is exactly what we needed to do. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So then, right, blah, we're going after the ball. If has ball does this. So now we have to figure out. Alright, so this chases after the ball, obviously. But what we also need to do is check to see whether or not we're next to the ball. Yes, exactly. I forget exactly which one it was, but it was literally, it was a moth. It had, one of the relays or something had snapped on it, and, well, it wasn't fully closing, therefore not completing the circuit. First actual case of actual bug in system. Okay. So at some point, are we next to ball? Yeah, see, we're doing the fixed process, and that should be all physics stuff. So I'm gonna leave that alone. Alright, phone is making noise. Phone. Okay. You need to be quiet, phone. Set to do not disturb. There we go. There we go. Phone will no longer disturb. Okay, so shoot ball, let's actually move this. I want to put this at the tail end stuff. Alright, so we're going to add the process. So this should be, fixed process should be done for physics updates, and process should be done for game updates. Since these are kind of physics-based dependencies, it's best to, I guess, handle these under fixed process. So first thing we want to do is if not has ball. So then we want to then check to see whether or not we want to get the ball position. And And so after we have the ball position, then we want to figure out if we're close. We're close enough to, quote, pick up said ball. So, let's just set a constant here. Pick up distance equals, I don't know. Let's see, let's go to the ball. Go to the ball scene. We have the ball sprite. What are the dimensions of said sprite? It's 64 by 64. So if we are 32, assuming we can get that close. So I'm going to set that distance to 32, and we'll see if we can ever actually meet it. We may want to bump it up to like 35 or 40. So, but this should actually be pretty easy, because then what we can do is we can get the distance between two vectors, and I think there's actually a built-in for that. Distance 2. Brings the distance to vector B. Alright, cool. I'm actually thinking, let's see, distance 2, so I could do get my position. So I could do bar dist is equal to my position dot distance to ball position. And I think it's like, if this is 32, it's not going to get closer because it's going from the center of this, the enemy, to the center of that. And so that's going to be more than 32. Alright, so that's going to be 33 plus 32 is just 65. So let's make it 70. Make that 70. If dist is less than or equal to 70, or say pickup distance, right? Pickup distance, then debug close to ball. And speaking of debugs, let's, oh yeah, right, we turn that one off. Okay, cool. So this should start getting spammed with close to, oh, oops. Function debug and base kinematic body. What is this in function debug? Oh, it's not debug. It's print. But we know that got called. We'll just have to see when it starts getting called. Okay, a lot sooner than it should be. So let's actually put that down to 32 again. Alright, so 32 is not enough. Is 40 enough? 40 is enough. Hey, what about like 35? Alright, I guess my math was somewhat wrong here. Cool, 35 is enough. Just a ball. Here we go. So, I should say next to ball. Next to ball, so then we have to pick up ball. So what we'll do is, just to keep this clean, we're going to make a function pick up ball. First, what we're going to want to do is we're actually going to get the ball itself. Okay, so now we've got the ball, which is great. So I should say we have a reference to the ball. We don't actually have the ball, quote unquote, because we haven't actually removed the ball from anything or anywhere. So what we're going to want to do is then we're going to want to remove the ball from the world. So world.move child ball, I guess. And we want to do var, and maybe it should say self.add child ball. And has ball equals true. Let's see if this works. Pick up ball. Something tells me this is gonna just fall flat on its face, but let's try it. So if this picks up the ball, there you go. Cool. That did work, but the ball itself just went completely disappeared. Ah, hello, Weedlex. Good to meet you. Let's see, has ball. So I've added the child. Or maybe I should just do straight add child. Maybe that would work better. Go get that ball. Still gets the ball. Now the ball just completely disappears. That's not good. Or maybe that's because it's removed. It maybe triggers a deletion? Maybe I should check that. Func process is if is queued for deletion print. Ah! I'm being deleted. But we also need to make sure that, let's see, set process to true. No, it didn't get deleted. It's just its visibility completely changed. Or here, how about I do this? I just do a yield util create. No. Yeah, it's create. No, it's utils. Create timer. We'll do every 2 seconds. Timeout. Func. Who do I belong to? Just be a simple function. We'll do a while true on it. Every time it do this, we'll see get parent name, or get name. And then we'll just have it do who do I belong to right when it spawns. World enemy. So it still actually belongs to the enemy. Okay. So that's good to know. For some reason, it's not visible anymore. Or maybe I should just queue free it, have that it has it, and then add maybe like a ball sprite that I can toggle on it. Oh, wait. Yeah, let's also report its position. Let's have it report its position too. So let's see, blah blah blah. Parent, comma. I think I'm doing that wrong. We have to do, oh, comma. Okay. So its position actually didn't change at all. Something happened to its visibility. Something definitely happened to its visibility. So maybe I need to turn its physics off? Maybe that's what I need to do. It's a rigid collider. Set the body mode from the mode enum. This allows you to change to a static body or a character body. Set sleeping. Your body is sleeping. Sleeping bodies are not affected by forces or until a collision or an apply impulse wakes them up. Until then, they behave like a static body. Yeah, I think this would actually be better if I just removed it from the game and then respawned it. That would technically be simpler, but it's not as friendly to expansion. Well, it could be friendlier to expansion. Picks up the ball. You get the ball. Move the child. So let's go back to physics body. Hit bounce, colliding body, check it, damp. visible. Alright, maybe we should try that. The blah 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 ball has pick up ball. Ball dot get. There's got to be a way to turn visibility on and right? That's canvas item. Why is there a canvas item? Well, here, yeah, let's actually try that. See if the visibility is actually what's being toggled. No, visibility is still true. That isn't it. Ball, world, get node, world, remove child, ball. Maybe it's am I doing it wrong? Should I add the child? If I reverse this, will it crash? Roll instance. Yep. Okay. It looks like it's being... The remove child is doing something. Dude. Remove child node is not deleted and will have to be deleted manually. Okay. Enables or disables node's fixed frame rate processing. This is probably what's happening. That's probably... Okay. Maybe that's what's happening. Try that. Nope. That is not it. Node is not deleted. No node and set all its children as children of the parent node if it exists. All subscriptions that pass by the removed node will be unsubscribed. Move child, there we are. Move a child to a different position order amongst the other children. Alright, let's just have to do ball.queueFree. Let's just do it this way. And we add ball. Let's see, SCN ball? Is that what I'm doing? Yeah, SCN ball. Instance. So we'll create a new instance of this ball. Get rid of that. Get name in base instance. Get her and get name. I'm just gonna turn these off actually. That'll be in radians, so I want rad to degree. It's less than 30. 15, I guess. Or, sorry, and is greater than minus 15. Then we'll do shoot ball. Has ball equals false. And then let's change this one. Let's see. We're gonna want the ball. Yeah, so all of this. I'm gonna call this one shoot ball old right now because there may be some stuff I want to use in there. So our ball equals get node ball. Then let's see, I want to do all of that. let's try that. See how that works. Oh, did not like that. Not found angle. Oh, oops. It pulls and pastes null instance on a null instance. Line 25. Oh, world get node. Yeah. Okay. Wait a second. That was appropriate. Stop. Again. To call function get pause in base null instance on null instance. Right? Shouldn't even be going into that. Node not found ball. Get child. Oh. Should be root. World, ball, or let's see, enemy, ball. That's what it should be, right? Shorten that there. Get child. Can't I do by a name with a get child? Children? No. That should have worked. Should be ball. I think I'm just gonna have to despawn and respawn. I think it's the only way to make this work sensibly. And then I'm just gonna have to create a ball icon as if it's carrying the ball. Alright, so I'm gonna rewicker things to do that, to work that way. So that means this will be the actual way to shoot a ball. But shoot old won't be needed. I'll get rid of that yield. But I can just do world here. So I've got that. And world. Alright. Has ball. Clean that up there. This ball pick up, okay. So we're gonna free that. Then we're gonna create, we're gonna add child. Oh, that's probably why that failed there. Oops. Whoa! What the heck just happened? That was hilarious. Oh wow. That was cool. That was awesome. Okay, I actually think I know what was going on there, so then... Let's see if... Okay, there we go. It actually was working. Cool. I just must have screwed something up in the pickup. Alright, so then let's create a utils create timer. Let's give it a second. Do that. How that works. Get pause base null instance of null instance. Okay. Oh, see, it's creating one here, and I don't want it to do that. Or player pause, world get node, get pause. So here I'm going to want to say farball equals get node ball. Set pause, apply impulse, world add child ball. No, yeah. Move child ball. Add child ball. Let's try that. Try that. That way it'll project it a little bit farther away. Yes! Yes! Woo! Alright, let's go see if he picks it up. Oh, he almost got it. Yes! Oh, that's great. I think I need to add friction to the ball, though. Let's add 0.5. Let's add more friction. Maybe that's just a friction of true. I don't know. I need to adjust that rotation. Okay. Alright, cool. I need to take a quick break. I will be right back. Alright, I am back. Alright. So it looks like our robot... The robot is picking up the ball, and the robot is throwing it. The ball, I feel, has... maybe needs some more friction. Let's see if we put 2, what that does. Alright, let's make that friction... Oh, it can only go up to 1. Okay. The input the body value is different from minus 1 and then derived friction. 0 frictionless, 1 to full friction. Not really useful for 2D. Okay. I set it to 10. What will that do? That was weird. Weird. Okay, that's getting bizarre. Sounds like looks like the mass is futzing with it some weird way. Alright, so let's fix that quick turn. We need to definitely fix that. Ah, crap. That's right. We need to have some sort of heading. Let's see. Let's see. If I have the ball, and see, these angles are set. Yeah, see, that's the problem with this look at. The rotate. I need to do it like a slower rotate. But like rotate towards. I wonder if there's a rotate towards. Vector 2, vector 2, vector 2, vector 2. Where are you, vector 2? Rotated. Rotates the vector by 5 radians. I could get the angle, right? I don't want that. Turns the angle in radians between the two vectors. So I can just have it rotate half of the angle. Whatever that is. Let's try that. We'll do that, except we're gonna get rotate. Angle 2. Player pause. So if I don't have a heading, I have a towards. Alright, so let's actually add a var here. Call this heading. This will be a vector 2, and I'll make it a 1, 0. And what I'll do is I'll get the heading. Rotate isn't gonna. Over here to player, I get direction rotated. Rotate. All I'll do is enemy. I get heading rotated. The angle to my heading dot angle. Player pause dot and multiply that by half. Then I'll actually make that heading. That will be toward. Let's see how that works. Yeah, the heading isn't getting changed. I think that's good. I think that's good. I do want to rotate. Alright, maybe I have to do a transform then. I mean, that's what the set rock should be doing, right? Uh-oh. Float value. Get an angle to ball position, maybe? Interesting. What happened to it? Oh, let's see. We know that the ball pickup is kind of working, which is good. I don't know. I think my brain is getting tired. This is setting an exact angle, and that's not necessarily what I want. I kind of want to tween. So maybe I'll have to... Oh, can I lerp? Ah, good. Float from to float weight. Weight delta, and maybe set that. Cool. I think that's exactly what I need it to do. It's this lerp here. Uh-oh, it's flipping out! Awesome. I think that is generally heading in the right direction here. Delta may not be necessarily what I want. That's not right. That's not good. Alright, I'm getting close. It's gonna be some more time before I get this all... I think these deltas definitely need to be adjusted. I think the move is right. But the rotation with the lerping is probably appropriate. I wonder if I can just if this gives me better. Just wondering. Nope, definitely not. It's definitely angle to point. Especially if it's a position. Help a little bit. Not really. Well, that isn't right. Oh boy. It's almost like I have to... It's like it's... I don't know where it's getting this angle from. It's not from its heading. Well, maybe I should try heading. Oops. Yeah, that angle is not the angle that I think it is. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna have to futz with this on my own. But I've at least got it to do some basic stuff right now, and that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna call it for the night. If you enjoyed, give me a follow. I should be streaming again some more tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll talk to you later. I'll catch you later. Alright, bye. Have a good one.